Happy New Year, boys. Today we're gonna be making a beautiful Detroit type beat for Concrete Boys, Veeze, Lucky, Babyface, Ray. They all use like similar beats, so we're gonna make something for them in that beautiful Detroit kind of style. By the way, I'm recording this intro on a different day. That's why my hat's gonna be different. Let's get right into the video. I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful Detroit type beat from scratch. Let's get right into it. First things first, we're gonna set our BPM, and for these kind of beats you want a faster BPM, somewhere around like 160 to about 180. That being said, let's do 171. And first thing, I'm gonna go into Xenology and get a piano. These beats use a lot of piano, so get a piano. Try acoustic piano. I don't really use these often. Let's just start with this one. And for our scale here, we're in C minor, but I want to change it. Let's do A sharp. Let's do A sharp minor for our scale. So now we got our scale highlighter set. And one way you guys can build this sort of progression is start at your root note, which in this case is A sharp. And we're going to count 9 notes up. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Get rid of these. And here we're going to build a major 9. So to do that, skip 4 notes. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Get rid of these. And now skip 3 notes. So 1, 2, 3. And now skip 4 notes again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have a major 7. To make it a major 9, we skip 3 more notes. So this is 1, 2, 3. Get rid of this. And now we have a major 9. Let's just pitch this down, hit Control A, select everything, Control down arrow to pitch it down. And let's just put the velocities down. Whenever you use VSTs, when you put the velocity down, it really does make it a lot softer. So we're gonna hit Alt and then scroll wheel down. And then let's just turn this up. And then for our next chord, we're just gonna go down to our root note. And let's do a minor 9. Now let's just pitch these up. Maybe keep this one low. And we're gonna take this chord, just extend it all the way, hit Control B. Let's just put this velocity lower. And then I want to put the velocity of the second note up. Just add that in there. Yeah, just a little variation right there. We'll just keep that one bass note right there. Let's just strum it a little bit. So hit Control A to select everything, hit Alt S. And then I think this C, we're gonna put the velocity down a little bit. Just kind of humanize it, you know? And then also this F, let's just put the velocity down. Now we have our chords down. Let's get another piano and we're just gonna do a little kind of like roll down with it, just kind of as a texture. Let's go into expand. There's just one piano I like. It's called like Rider or something like that. It's just really soft. And then same thing here. We're gonna put the velocity really low, and we're just gonna do a little roll down. Let's just pitch this up. Let's just extend it out. We need to turn up this piano a little bit more. Beautiful. Just kind of a little variation, you know, just a little differences. Now let's go back into Xenology and I want to add a saxophone, make it like really beautiful. Let's just make this super beautiful and super soulful. I like this one's soft. And the same thing here, you want to mess around with the velocities. Change it up a little bit right here. we're just gonna make it a little bit more human just by moving these notes a little bit off grid and just messing with the lengths. Let's just add all our melodies to the mixer. I think for right now, we're gonna keep the melodies like this, and we're gonna add some drums. And then after that, we might add like a 1-2 kind of melody just to top it off. But yeah, so let's just go over here and then hit Control L to add all our sounds to the mixer. And I'm just gonna low cut them just so we can get started on our drums. Just go over here real quick, just kind of low cut it a little bit. And now let's add some drums. I'm gonna be using my Untitled kit. And by the way, we have a 30% off store-wide sale right now. Any kit you guys want, you guys can get for 30% off. Just use code Christmas. Also drop my loop and MIDI archive, which has about 200 loops and about 200 midis, and you guys can get that for 80% off right now. Just use code Christmas. The link will be down below. And I just want to say thank you guys for all the support this year. Everybody who's copped a kit, everybody who's liked the video, commented, even if you just watched the video, thank you guys. I really do appreciate you guys' support. You guys really did change my life this year. And let's get right back to it. Yeah, let's get a clap. Let's get a hi-hat. Get an 808. I'm gonna use this Tim Hortons 808, and I'm just gonna go over here to the envelope, put the attack all the way down, put the release all the way down. This makes it so whenever you let go of the note, it stops playing right away. There's another way you can do it. You can also do it with this like cut. If you just put the cut to 1 by 1, it'll stop. But I just prefer this way. Whatever you do in FL, just do it the way that you like doing it. Learn all the ways, but just do it the way you like doing it. I'm just gonna follow our root notes right here. And we're gonna do this kind of pattern right here. Let's put this back to our root. Add another 808. Now let's get some percs, and you want to use like the Detroit percs, which are like that cowbell, that little ding thing. You guys can find those sounds anywhere on Reddit. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother like trying to plug my stuff. I like using this kit right here. It's called Modern Detroit. I got it on Reddit a couple years ago. It's super fire. It has all the sounds you need for like that Detroit type stuff. Let's get this little ding thing. And get a cowbell. The one thing is like these loop points, man. Man, I hate when people make kits like this. Oh, my mom's calling, man. Gotta pick up. Yeah, mom. Yeah, W, mom. Let's add this perk right here too. This little zap. Add this open hat too, but just put the out down. Make it kind of sharper. And then maybe we'll add another saxophone for a different part and change the pattern a little bit. Instead of a saxophone, let's get some ensemble string. Let's try to get another little top line kind of piano on top. Maybe we'll use the same sound too. Okay, I think this is cool. Let's just arrange it. So go over here to pattern, right click, hit split by channel, go over here to open the playlist and hit the first sound, hold shift, drag and drop. I think it's sounding pretty beautiful. Just control B. Calm little vibe. Yo, we're done. I'm just gonna export this and let's try a little freestyle. Beat is just like so beautiful. I don't want to fuck it up. I tried freestyling on it and I just could not get any bars off at all. This beat is just too beautiful for me and I'm not lyrical schmirical enough to really get some bars in. I'll just show you what I did. I gotta hold the headphones in this DJ way because I can't fit the hat.
Yeah. Pick up the 4 out the spot. Scoring codeine. Checks off the fame. Coach put me in. I'm scoring 3. I got it on me.
I feel like I can go hard, but I just can't. I don't have like enough bars to really go crazy on this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of 2025. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I hope you guys had a great year. I hope you guys had a great day. We're dropping a free 20K kit once we hit 20K. So lock in. Great kit. It's going to be completely free. I wish you guys all the best in 2025. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.